As COVID began, what we saw was fear among our staff, our patients, and our visitors. And the response to those three have played a huge part in the changes that have gone on.
The doctors at Valley Health were very supportive and swooped in to help save us.
Now with the pandemic, we're managing their inventory much more closely, we're monitoring it much more closely, so we're managing all that and keeping an eye on that all daily to make sure we have the supplies on hand for everyone.
The nursing home rehabilitation center that I work at had a COVID outbreak. Valley Health was wonderful during the COVID outbreak. They ran into a burning building, as I like to say, without any weapons to use to fight the fire.
Unfortunately, my personal experience with COVID hit early on in late March. I spent 2 weeks at home, very symptomatic, prior to a week-long stay in our ICU unit here at Winchester Medical Center. A couple of weeks at home on oxygen therapy before finally being able to return to work on May the 4th after 44 days of battling the virus. In total, I spent the majority of a month away from my family.
I think Valley Health's done a tremendous job, not just because they're my employer, but I know being involved in the committees, being involved in a lot of the calls.
I think the organization did an absolutely tremendous job at ensuring all of its people were kept up to date on what was going on and allowed to share comments, concerns, frustrations along the way. At no point in time have I felt as though there was any information out there COVID related that wasn't shared with myself and that wasn't shared with our teams.
I was also amazed at the response of the community.
The community donated almost 30,000 cloth masks, and we distributed from here, we gathered them here, we bundled them here.
To see the response as an entire system coming together and looking at the successes that we've seen in different facilities and buildings, as well as sharing in some of the areas of opportunity and learning from each other's areas has been a huge benefit to our staff and to the patients that we serve.